Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. This is just a super quick video. I will post more about this tomorrow once the new firmware update from Fuji gets released. Now, Fujifilm on their website has released a note to users. Now, this does include the Fuji X-T5, the new camera, the X-T4, X-T3, as well as a couple others. I will leave it down in the description below of the cameras and firmware that is affected. But essentially what they've said is if you are trying to update your camera using the Fujifilm app, do not use that update via the SD card. Now, I've been saying in all of my videos, always use the SD card to update your camera. That app is flaky, can always cause errors. Some people have, some luck with it, but Fujifilm now coming out saying do not update using the app. So get your SD card out, go fill out this new update when it comes out. Fujifilm is going to be releasing a new update on January 19th, which is tomorrow as I'm filming this. So just be prepared, have a fresh SD card ready to go. I'll post tomorrow once the new firmware update is released from Fuji. Thanks for watching everybody. Just a quick one, but wanted to get it out there.